Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I make my pre-made dropshipping baddie boutique on Shopify. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. I just like to get into it. I'll be in the zone and I'm gonna just play some music and show y'all what I do.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. You make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive as you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Please be don't, just be that way, you be that. I want you.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Busting off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bagging money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run up with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
Now, my graphic design business is a little bit different because I do make pre-made Shopify stores, but I make pre-made Shopify dropshipping stores, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much my clients, they can start a boutique without holding any inventory, and the vendor will ship the items out for them. But this is just like a pre-made sample store. I actually sync the vendor once the pre-made store is purchased. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I design my pre-made Shopify websites. You can click the link in the description if you would like to view this store and for more information on pre-made dropshipping boutiques.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride. broken up, you know the feelings deep inside still was you. What we've been through, I miss you. And you
Alright, you guys, I do hope that you enjoyed this video of me showing you how I make my pre-made dropshipping Shopify stores. I am going to be making more videos like this, so be sure you are subscribed. And I really do like to give my clients the best bang for their buck. My prices are pretty cool for my websites, a nice decent price. They come with 4 social media templates, fully Shopify designed website, a sample from the vendor since they're dropshipping, you know what I'm saying, a logo. So yeah, this is pretty much what comes with my pre-made stores. Like I said, click the link in the description to view this pre-made dropshipping stores and other ones I have available. Or if you would like to learn more about how to start your own pre-made website business, click the link in the description as well. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.